Everyday Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a copycat recipe of the Taco Bell Quesadilla Sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got a half a cup of mayo, a half a cup of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of pickled jalapeno juice, 3 tablespoons of pickled jalapenos, 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon of granulated onion, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, and we're going to put a pinch of salt and pepper in there as well. Don't forget the recipe is on my website at www.itsonlyfood.biz. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, got our container. We're going to mix it up. I've got a little NutriBullet here. You can use it a blender or a food processor as well. So go ahead and put our mayonnaise in there, our sour cream, our jalapeno juice, our jalapenos, paprika, garlic, cumin, onion powder, salt and pepper, and our chili seasoning. Put our lid on, and there's the Taco Bell Quesadilla Sauce. I'm going to make a quesadilla, and we're going to come back and try this out. There's some pictures to enjoy until we get there. Looks good, smells good. Here we go. Right away I'm getting the creaminess of that mayonnaise, the acidity of that sour cream, and then that jalapeno juice, and those jalapenos give it the kick of spice that it needs, and then the cumin and all the other ingredients just kind of meld in there to make it just balance out perfectly. This is an incredible sauce. To be honest with you, when I go to Taco Bell, I'm getting the Doritos taco and some Diablo sauce. That's all I ever get. But I'm going to definitely have to try this because see if this even is comparable to what they have over there at Taco Bell. It's definitely a keeper. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check out the recipe over there at itsonlyfood.biz. We will see you again. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.